de Broglie hypothesis. What is the meaning of de Broglie hypothesis? According to the scientist, the scientist name is de Broglie. De Broglie says material like electron, proton, neutron, alpha particle and so on. Once again I repeat, de Broglie says material like electron, proton, neutron, deuteron, alpha particle and so on have dual nature. One is particle nature, other one is wave nature. Every material in the universe have dual nature. One is particle nature, other one is wave nature. De Broglie gives relation between particle nature and wave nature. According to de Broglie, one equation gives this indicate particle nature and wave nature. Here lambda means this is the wave. The distance between two crusts is wavelength. Simply lambda indicate wave nature. Here m indicate mass of the particle, v indicate velocity of the particle, mv indicate particle nature. This is the relation between particle nature and wave nature. What is the de Broglie equation? Lambda equal to h by mv. H is a Planck's constant. M indicate mass of the particle. V indicate velocity of the particle. Look here. What is the de Broglie famous equation? Lambda equal to h by mv. Here, this is the famous de Broglie equation. Okay? Look here now. Here lambda indicate wavelength, h indicate Planck's constant, m indicate mass of the given material particle, v indicate velocity of the particle. Equation number 1. Here next lambda equal to h by mass into velocity is called momentum. Mass into velocity is called momentum. Okay? In the situation, this is the formula for lambda. Lambda equal to h by p. Here p indicate momentum of the particle. In the final exam, graph is drawn between lambda taken as y-axis, momentum taken as x-axis. In the situation, wavelength and momentum inversely, according to mathematics, the graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. Next, in the first year, the relation between kinetic energy and momentum, p square by 2m. Here, according to this relation, P write as under root 2 2mke. In the equation 2, I substitute lambda equal to h by p, write as under root 2mke. Equation number 3. Here linear momentum write as under root 2mke. Okay, here now. This is the equation number 3. Next again lambda equal to h by under root, look here now, 2m, kinetic energy formula. Generally electrical potential write as work by charge. What is the work done formula? QV. Kinetic energy formula is QV. These 4 formulas are very useful to solve the problems. What is the formula? First formula for wavelength, h by mv. Second formula, h by under root 2mke. Third formula, h by under root 2mqv. Okay, this is in terms of potential, this is in terms of kinetic energy, that is in terms of momentum. De Broglie wavelength in terms of potential write as h by under root 2mqv. This is the de Broglie wavelength in terms of potential. Okay, this is the formula. Here, for example, for electron, I take wavelength of the electron is, look here now, wavelength of the electron is, here mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Charge of the electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Planck constant value. All will be solved. Finally we get 12.27 by root V. Wavelength unit is angstrom. Here under root 150 by V is wavelength unit is angstrom for electron. Next, for example, proton తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Wavelength of the proton is 0.286 by under root V angstrom. This is wavelength in terms of potential. Next, for example, I take deuteron H12. In the situation, wavelength of the deuteron is 0.202 under root V angstrom. Next, for example, alpha particle. What is the wavelength of the alpha particle formula? 0.101 by root V angstrom. These are shortcut formulas. Given voltage is given to determine wavelength. These 4 formulas are very useful. What is the wavelength of electron? Root of 150 by V. What is the wavelength of proton? 0.286 by root V. What is the wavelength of deuteron? 0.202 by root V angstrom. Wavelength of the alpha particle 0.101 by root V angstroms. Next, look here. For example, I take neutron. Material particle is neutron. Material particle particle is neutron, neutron. What is the wavelength formula in terms of kinetic energy? Under root h by under root 2mke. According to chemistry, kinetic energy in terms of Boltzmann constants 3 by 2 kBT. Here 2 to what? Cancel. Lambda equal to finally h by under root 3 m k b t. Here T is called absolute temperature. Simply it is measured in Kelvin. Kb is Boltzmann constant. M is called mass of the neutron. What is the mass of the neutron? Mass of the neutron, mass of the proton, same. Its value is 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Here all values substitute. Finally we get 25.8 root T angstrom. This is the formula for wavelength of the neutron in terms of temperature. Important number. This is applicable only for neutron. Previous in Japan, electron, proton, deuteron, alpha particle. According to this topic, this is body projected horizontally. Look here. Here body projected horizontally with initial velocity u. Body projected horizontally with initial velocity u. After t seconds, body is at point here. Once again, a body initially projected horizontally with initial velocity u. After t seconds, body is here. Tangent gives the direction of velocity. Here it makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Here resolve, it becomes V cos theta. We know that one situation u V cos theta same, because in the projectiles horizontal velocity does not change, because there is no acceleration due to gravity on horizontal direction. Once again, in horizontal velocity does not change because no gravity in horizontal direction. Here u becomes V cos theta. What is the V value? U by cos theta. The question is, in the point to determine wavelength. Wavelength formula is h by mv. H by mv. Here lambda equal to h by m. Here velocity v, but compared to initial, what is the V value? U by cos theta. Very important formula. Look here, Nana. A body projected horizontally with velocity u. I take two instants. In this instant. Here tangent gives the direction of velocities. This angle is 30 degrees, horizontal angle is 60 degrees. In the situation, the wavelength is lambda 1. In the situation, the wavelength is lambda 2. Here, find the ratio of wavelengths. That is the question. We know the situation. Lambda formula is h by p. P means, here the concept is body projected horizontally. In the situation, we know the formula. Lambda formula is h cos theta by mu. According to this situation, lambda directly proportional to cos theta. Here, lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to cos theta 1 by cos theta 2. Here, what is the theta 1? 30. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Finally, we get the ratio of lambda 1 and lambda 2 is root 3:1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, very important concept, Nana. According to Bohr, the scientist name, Bohr's postulations. What is the Bohr first postulation in the chemistry? Electron revolving around the nucleus in the circular path. Electron revolving around the nucleus in the circular path. Okay, look here. In the situation, electron, according to de Broglie, material have dual nature. One is particle nature, another one is wave nature. According to de Broglie, this electron radiate energy in the form of waves. Look here. Here, total circumference is circle circumference 2 pi r. For example, this is the nth orbit, that is denoted by Rn, radius of the nth orbit. Okay, look here. This is circumference, simply length. For example, this is one wave. One wave length is lambda. Two wave, 2 lambda. Three waves, 3 lambda. Here n waves are there, n lambda. This is the formula for de Broglie equation according to Bohr's postulations. Here lambda indicate de Broglie wavelength. Here radius of the nth orbit is, we know that according to chemistry, 0.53 n square by z angstrom. For example, given material is hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. What is the radius of nth orbit? 0.53 n square angstroms. To solve the problems, for example, proton is given, deuteron is given, alpha particle is given. Ratio ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ charge. పైన ఏమవుతుంది? Mass. Okay? To solve the problem, below value is taken charge, above value is taken mass. Okay? Allah be very nice to meet. Bye now. Tomorrow exam is there. Please prepare.